Your pancreas is tasked with regulating blood sugar levels. When it fails in this task, diabetes happens. So, what causes it to fail? Well, in a sound bite, a shortage of beta cells. Now, there are a multitude of reasons why beta cell numbers tank: overwork, deliberate destruction, poisoning, old age. It's complicated, and the destruction is relative. That said, the more beta cells you have to begin with, the more wiggle room you have when it comes to losing them. A pancreas chock full of beta cells is going to be more resilient. So, how do you get more? Join us for this episode of Better Body Chemistry TV as we find out how to make your pancreas a hip happening place full of beta cells. Better Body Chemistry TV is brought to you by Dr. Sandy, a scientist turned gremlin buster, helping you battle sugar gremlins, heifer lumps, and other health horribles through better body chemistry. Remember, small things can make a big difference to your health. Well, the beta cell story actually begins in utero. As baby develops, cells destined to be beta cells form from special progenitors. They take up position in baby's pancreas and wait to come online. As long as Junior is hooked up to the feeding line, they're not actually needed. Once the line is cut, they get busy. They start to divide furiously, hitting a high point in terms of numbers at the age of 2. And then it's a slow and steady decline with a lot of fine-tuning and maturing. By the age of 5 years, the final beta cell mass is pretty much established. The beta cell number is not absolutely fixed. There is some wiggle room. Should the metabolic situation demand a change, the beta cells can step up to the plate and increase their production. High demand happens in pregnancy and obesity. In people who develop type 2 diabetes, the beta cell numbers don't expand to meet that high demand. So, what sets that baseline? Well, logic says genes and diet. But could there be more to the story? A group of researchers based at the University of Oregon have shown gut bacteria are involved. Using zebrafish, the team showed that when baby fish grew up germ-free, they ended up with significantly less beta cells than normal. Gut bacteria promoted beta cell expansion, and more beta cells means more insulin and better sugar control. This can be seen here. The photo on the left is a slice of islet from a normal baby zebrafish, 6 days after fertilization. The photo on the right is comparing it to a slice of islet from a baby zebrafish with no gut bacteria. The translucent green reflects the amount of insulin. When the bacteria are missing from the nursery, less insulin is produced. The baby zebrafish with less insulin find it harder to control their blood sugar. Intrigued, the team set about finding out just how the gut bacteria living in zebrafish made zebrafish beta cells grow. It turned out a few of the gut residents secreted a protein that prompted beta cells to divide. The team named this protein beta cell expansion factor A and concluded gut bacteria play a role in the development of the digestive organs of zebrafish. So, do bacteria grow human pancreases? Maybe human gut bacteria also secrete beta cell expansion factor A, and the beta cell expansion factor A they produce makes beta cells in zebrafish grow, suggesting human gut bacteria could be involved. Unfortunately, we're not able to grow human beta islets in a dish just yet, so there's no way to know for sure whether human gut bacteria helped build your pancreas. But odds are they did. This is supported by the observation that early disruptions to gut flora increase the risk of developing diabetes, both type 1 and type 2. This research suggests part of the risk might be a lower beta cell reserve. If you have been microbiologically disadvantaged, be vigilant. The lack of genetic diversity early on could have seen you exposed to less beta cell expansion factor A, leaving you with less of a buffer against lifestyle risks. And if you are a wannabe or about to be mom, do what you can to cultivate a diverse microflora in your little one, so you help to build a better pancreas and protect your little one from the diabetes scourge by creating better body chemistry. For more tips and strategies, visit our website at www.betterbodychemistry.com. Browse our library and sign up for our weekly newsletter. The advice is simple to follow and based on real science, not hype. Know someone who is expecting, share this video with them so they understand how important it is to cultivate their little one's microflora. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you catch future episodes of Better Body Chemistry TV. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Remember, small things can make a big difference to your health.